What's up, everybody? It's Kurt here, and I'm back with another maths video. And in this video, we'll be looking at the divisibility rule for the number 10. So, let's work. Crabs have 10 legs. I mean, yeah, crabs have a lot of legs, my bro. 8 more than humans. It is crazy that they need so many legs. Anyway, before I journey off into the wrong direction, what is the divisibility rule for the number 10? Music!
For a number to be divisible by 10, the last digit has to be 0.
Okay.
It has to be 0.
Alright.
It has to be 0.
We got it.
It has to be 0.
It has to be 0. Huh? Bring those words, bring the words, bring the lyrics up here, bring the words up here. Okay, cool. It says, for a number to be divisible by 10, the last digit of the number has to be 0. It has to be 0. So, this is probably the easiest one of the easiest of all the divisibility rules that we've looked at, right? From 2 through 10. For us to know if a number is divisible by 10, we just have to check the last digit of the number. If the last digit of the number is 0, then we know that it's divisible by 10. Ha! So the number 10 would be divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. If you look at the number 100, 100 will also be divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. If you look at the number 1430, it's also divisible by 10 because the last number is 0. If we look at the number 1432, nope, it wouldn't be divisible by 10 because the last number isn't 0. Huh? So that's the rule. I don't even need to do an example with you, right? So, now you want to know, but Kurt, why does this rule work? Why? I don't know why I did that with my voice, but that's what I went with now. So anyway, why does the rule work? And it's the simplest way for me to put it is that all multiples of 10 always end in a 0. The last digit is always 0. So 10 times any number, the last digit is always going to be 0. And again, you can go check it, okay? Do a couple of multiplication questions, 10 times whatever, and then check. Ask your teacher, do it with your friends, and you'll see that, right? And that's the simplest way for me to put it, right? If you put any amount of groups of 10 together and you add it, the last digit of whatever answer you got will always be 0. And there's another way we can look at it, but look at the prime factors of 10. The prime factors of 10 are 2 and 5. So if you apply the rule, both rules, for 2 and 5 to a number, and it passes both, it's divisible by 10. But okay, more of that at a later stage. So that's why it works. So what do we do now? We recap and we get out of here.